I think what client wants is what is different in you than others. That's what they look for, right? Regardless of who the client is. So finding that specific thing is not simple, right? It might not be visible on first meeting or second meeting even, right? So you have to give it time. And I think the common mistake that I used to make when I first started my career is try to upsell from the beginning. Right? We'd always want to sell ourselves instead of listening to what client wants. Right? That's what client feels. Okay, this team is too pushy. They are too demanding, and so on. So and that loses the confidence in client on you. Right? So I think the first thing is, of course, try to understand what client wants, and then try to provide value on that. So I think to begin with, first you have to understand what exactly client wants. Right? And then how can you add value to that client? Because getting a client is very difficult these days at any given time, right? We know this, that, okay, it's not easy to get a new client. So when you have that client, make sure you keep that client, or your goal should be, how can I add value and how can I keep a long-term relationship with that client? So I would say to begin with, whenever you're interacting with the client, first try to understand what they really want, and then try to see how you can add value. Money will come later.